Hey there, what's up? Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm gonna do a haul for you guys and I'm gonna share with you guys my skincare products. Kuha tayo guys pa isa-isa and I'm just gonna give you guys my thoughts about all the products here, whether if it's effective or not. By the way guys, this is going to be my first haul for you guys and I hope magustuhan ninyo. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, like this video. And yun, shoutout pala sa 103 subscribers ko as of today. Thank you guys sa support and I hope lumami pa tayo. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started with this haul. The first product I got from this pile of products, the Enlighten Body Cream. It is very effective. May instant brightening siya. Long-term effect naman na you can see na may effect talaga. And pumuti din ako dito. It's worth the money. If you have any questions about this one, just let me know in the comment section down below. This is the first product. The next product is my Rejufacial Solution. This one, ginagamit ko siya for 4 days. And yun guys, ang effect nito, magbabalat kayo. Pero I suggest huwag nyo siyang gamitin ng matagal. Gamitin nyo lang siya, yun nga, 4 days every month. Kasi nga, nakikita ko yung baby skin after mag-peel off using this product. So there, this one, totally recommend this. Let me know if you want this. And this one is very safe. Hindi ka mamumula ng sobrang dito. You get another one. Extra White Firming Body Lotion with SPF 30. Ginagamit ko siya pag alam kong mabibilad ako sa araw. Kaya siya nasa compact na to, maliit. Kasi dinadala ko siya with me sa bag ko. Kasi nga, may SPF 30 siya. You have to have extra SPF with you. So this one is really something na pwede niyong bilhin if lalabas kayo at maaarawan kayo ng matagal. By the way, nakakaputi rin talaga siya. Next is this one. This one is Bamboo Charcoal Mud Pack. This one is wash-off type of mud pack. So, bababad mo siya for 10 minutes to 15 minutes until fully dry. Yung kulay niya is dark gray. Tapos, pag totally na nag-dry na siya, nagiging medyo light na siya. Pag gusto kong maglinis ng mukha, galing. Blackheads, natatanggal. Oil, natatanggal. This one is Nature's Republic, by the way. Mura lang siya, guys. Next is Peel Off Mask. This one guys, pag meron kayong obvious or parang tipong matatanggalan na blackheads, this one is really for you. Ganun ako, pag parang feeling ko ang dumi ng area ng ilong ko. Nire-recommend ko guys yung black. I have the black one as well, wait lang. This one. These two are like the same. Pinakaiba lang nila color, which is this one is the black one and this one is the white one. Ginagamit ko siya sa buong mukha. This one ang ginagamit ko sa ilong kasi dito mas kita ko talaga yung mga natatanggal sa ilong ko. So I use this twice a week or once a week. And depende kung meron ng blackheads around my nose. Nakakalinis talaga siya ng mukha. Next would be my Old Spice. Ewan ko, ang bango lang kasi niya guys. And sa pawis ang pag-uusapan, definitely nakokontrol niya yung pawis. Kaya I would have to say, naglalas siya ng buong maghapon for like 12 hours. Yung amoy niya mabango talaga. Next would be, this one is Pure Water Baobab Mild Lotion for the face. And also with SPF 30 na din siya, plus PA++ by Etude House. This one is actually water-based. Definitely safe for everyone to use. Next, the Blood Orange Hand Cream. Yan guys, hindi pa siya open. Got this from Watsons. Hindi pa siya bawas kasi meron ako ibang kulay nito. Pink, meron akong red nito. Yung rose. This one helps. Lalo na nilalamig na ako sa AC. Next would be the Cooling Eye Serum by Nature's Republic. Ginagamit ko to every night. Or minsan pag ginagamit ko din siya in the morning. Depende. Pag puyat ako, pag feeling ko, laki ng eye bags ko. So, this one helps a lot. Next would be the Enlighten Kojic Papaya with glutathione. This one guys, ito ginagamit ko face and body. Nakatulong siya to remove yung mga maliliit ko dito and here and dito. Next is this one. Partner siya ng Kojic Papaya, yung Katapsam. This one is recommended for those people na 25 pataas. Kasi anti-aging siya. May aloe vera din with collagen din siya and argan oil. Effective para sa mga lines here and here, no offense, okay? I use this one as well. Okay, next, Enlighten Cloud Cream. Sunblock siya. At the same time, ginagamit ko rin siya sa gabi. Soon, I'll be making a full review of this product, how effective it is to me. and kung gaano kalaki yung tulong sa face ko para magkaroon ako ng maliliit na pores. I'll explain it soon. So, sa next video yan or mga susunod pang video, guys, do watch out for that, okay? Next, baby powder. Alam niyo naman siguro ang baby powder. Nagamit ko siya everyday after ko mag-moisturizer, which is yan, Enlighten, or yung isa ko pang moisturizer na i-explain ko later. Ito guys, yung partner nun. Next, this one. Pagka alam kong nakababad ako sa AC, kasi nga nakaka-dry. Nakakatulong to para ma-moisturize yung buong katawan ko. Promise. Nakalagay dito, Body Milk Intensive Moisture. So, basically, moisturize skin within 7 days. Okay. The Miracle Cream, guys. Ito, ginagamit ko siya every morning, guys. Minsan ginagamit ko rin ito sa gabi, pero most of the time, sa umaga to. It says here, Miracle with Sunscreen. And tignan natin, guys, kung gaano pa lakas yung sunscreen. Okay guys, hindi ko mahanap kung gaano kalakas yung sunscreen protection nito. Siguro I'll make a full review of this one kasi sobrang dinlabi dito to fully talk about this product. Abangan nyo yun. Next, this one is the Acne Care Acne Drying Lotion. Kasi at times magkakaroon ka talaga, hindi may iwasan. I would have to say this one really works. Gagawin mo lang, lalagay mo lang siya sa area na meron. And then, pagising mo sa umaga, half dry na siya. O depende guys, hindi ko siya halos bawas kasi hihira ko naman siya magamit. Pero, definitely pagka kailangan ko siya, hindi siya para sa akin. Next, this one is Aloe Vera Face and Body Mist. Ayun guys. Brand niya guys, Bench. Ubus na yung Nature's Republic ko. Umalik ako doon, wala kasi silang stock. So, I need this one. Lagi ko siyang kailangan. Kasi pag feeling ko haggard na ako, nasa labas ako, free lang ako ng couple of aloe vera facial mist, okay na. Parang feeling ko nakapag-wash ako, parang ganun. So, gamitin nyo din guys. Nakaka-fresh ng balat. Yan, pag nasa labas ka. Next, this one. Okay, guys. This one is big. Look. This one is St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Body Lotion. Ginagamit ko ito everyday. Before ako mag-sunblock, nakaka-moisturize siya ng balat. Plus may collagen, so definitely nakakabata siya. Okay, next. This one. This one is the Antibiotic Facial Toner. Ginagamit ko siya everyday kasi hindi siya nakakabalat ng mukha. Yung amoy nga, hindi rin matapang. Parang wala nga siya halos amoy. Hindi magbabalat yung face mo dito. To remove excess sebum, ito ginagamit ko after wash, day and night. Ayan. Next. This Irresistible Vitamin C Serum. Nagamit ko to after ko mag-toner. Hindi lang siya vitamin C, hindi na siya, may collagen pa. Ang na-feel ko dito guys, nakaka-firm ng balat, nakakabata siya talaga. Kasi nga diba may collagen, pero kasi bago lang bago ko pa lang siya nagagamit. Wala pang 2 weeks. I'll make a full review once na magamit ko siya for 1 month and I'll give you guys my full verdict about this product. Next is Vaseline Lip Therapy Advanced Healing. Hindi ko nga ngayon kasi medyo tayo gusto. Ito guys, of all lip moisturizer na nagamit ko, ito okay siya. Kasi walang kulay. Tapos talagang pag choppy lips ka, magamitin mo lang siya ng isang beses. Okay na. I guess yun yung effect mo talaga. I recommend this one. Next, this Collagen Water. Another facial mist na ginagamit ko. Before ako mag-BB cream, ito yung na-apply ko. And yun, hindi ako nag-oil up. Facial mist din siya guys. Pwedeng before and after. Or yan nga, pag-haggard ka. Next is this one. Pearl Strong Etude House. Ayan. Sa face, nilalagay ko siya, binababad ko. Then yung excess niya nilalagay ko sa leeg. Bababad ko din after tanggalin sa mukha. Nilalagay ko din siya. Next is this Extra White Firming Body Lotion. Ito guys, whitening lang. Hindi ko tulad ng isa. Yung isa kasi may SPF. Yun yung gusto ko doon. Ito guys, pinadala ko. Ayan, pagkaalis ako. Paggabi, ito yung ginagamit kong lotion. Pareho lang sila ng isang maliit by Nivea. Meron pa ba? Okay, meron pa. This one is Wrinkle Care Magic Hand Cream by Level Edge. I don't know kung tama yung pronunciation ko nung Level Edge. Pero yun, nabili ko ito sa Trinoma. Mahilig ako sa hand cream kasi nga medyo magaspa ang kamay ko. But anyway, yeah, this one is really good. So, ayun. Next would be this one. Vaseline Men Body Spot Whitening. Ito naman guys, binili ko kasi buy one take one. So, ayan guys. Gusto ko lang itry. Okay naman. Medyo matapang na yung amoy niya. Effective naman. Next would be, okay, this one is nail regenerating multi-step treatment. Ginagamit ko to at least once a month. Yung sa ito daw kasi parang ang mild lang, sobra ganun. Fresh ka lang. This one medyo may tusok. And yun. Pero effective siya. Once a month, pangatlong month ko nang ginagamit to. I like it. I like it so far. So, ito na pala guys yung last. Ayun guys, yung mga products na ginagamit ko sa face and sa body. By the way, I'll be starting my Paano Pumuti series and Paano Pumili series next video or sa mga susunod na video. Guys, kung meron din kayo mga suggested na products, let me know. Subukan kong bilhin and syempre reviewin natin. Then, share ko sa inyo guys. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos of me, do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, good luck and